Guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to code something using this Microbit. So I'm going to call this project as magic buttons because when I press two buttons over here, something will light up in here. So for this project we will need our Microbit and our micro USB cable. Without further ado, let's go and start coding.
So now we are going to go and start coding. So first we have to go for our browser and search. So I'm going to search Google. So now I'm going to go and search Microbit. So there's the makecode software. I'm going to click new project and give the name magic buttons. Magic buttons and create. So let's wait until this Microbit picture comes. So this is the display that comes for our Microbit. Whatever we code over here will display in here. So first we don't need the on start and forever button. We are going to go for inputs and get an on button pressed. After that we are going to go for basics and click a show lid and make a happy face. So I'm making a happy face right now. So when we click on these small squares, it will automatically come. So I'm just going to duplicate this and fix it over here, and I'm going to change the button and the face. So this time I'm going to put a sad face. So here it is. I'm putting a sad face right now. Now I'm going to go for input again and get A and B. When you select this, a virtual AB button will come here because we can't press both of them at once. Now you guys can see it. So now I'm going to go for basics and get a show lid and make an angry face in that. So I did it. Now I'm going to go for input again and get an on shake button. That is that. So I'm going to get a show lid and put an arrowhead for this. After that, we are done coding. So now let's go and click the download. After you have downloaded, you have to select your folder and download it anywhere you like. So I already downloaded it in my desktop. So now we have to go and connect our Microbit for our desktop. So I've connected. After you connected it, a driver will come over here. So there's Microbit. Just click open it, and I have it right over here. Put it over here. I'm just going to drag and drop in the Microbit place. So no need to worry of removing this. It will not fully go for there. Just a copy will drag and drop in there. So now it's starting. So this LED will blink and stop. You guys can see an LED right over here. When you are pasting that in that driver, this will start blinking. After that, it will stop blinking like this. So my code is done. So now let's go and test it out.
When I press button A, you guys can see a happy face. And when I press button B, you guys can see a sad face. And when I press both of them, an angry face will come. And when I shake it like this, an arrow will come that's pointing for the left side. So if you like this video, please subscribe and give a thumbs up, and I'll come with our next tutorial.